Good afternoon, everyone. Councilman Baldonegro here. Wanted to share with you some information about a pilot program that the city has right now. It is a pilot program for changing the water meters that we have throughout the city, including all the residential meters. In time, all of our meters will be replaced for a more efficient, a better meter that'll give us more information in real time. Now, let me give you a couple of details of if you're wanting to do this, what's going to take. We'll set up a link below for the information, but more likely it's going to take some information of where you live, and we're going to tell you when we're going to be there to do the replacement. The replacement takes about 30 minutes, and they'll be doing the installation between Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m.-ish. We'll set up an appointment with you. We'll probably knock on your door, let you know we're there. We'll leave a door hanger, let you know what to expect, and then some information on who to call, any kind of problems like that. So some of the things that people might say, well, why do I want that? Why do I want to be involved in that? Well, for one, if you have a water leak and you just don't know, you could have a toilet that's just not perfectly sealing, or you might have a sprinkler head that's broken and you just don't know how much more water it's using as opposed to normal. This meter will allow you to be able to kind of see how much more water you're using and in real time. Instead of getting a large bill at the end of the month, you're like, oh my God, what happened? And then they have to do the investigation, come and try to help you out, figure it out. I think this is a really good program. It'll allow you to find some small leaks or even some big leaks that you may not see until you get your water bill, at which point it's already too late. So it's a pilot program. We'll have a link below with all the information. I would suggest, if you think this is a good idea, I would look into getting into the pilot program. Eventually, the entire city is going to be involved in this and get all the meters swapped out anyways, so why not be part of the pilot program now? I think it'd be a great idea, okay? If you have any questions below, again, just give us a call and we'll help you figure it out. Until next time, you guys be careful out there.